You can easily maintain a well-groomed and attractive lawn using riding mowers. Will this Craftsman yard tractor do the trick? Our experts are here to take you through the features. First, take a look at the dimensions to make sure the size is right for you. Now, are you looking for special features? 4-cycle engine, close cutting, and infinite forward speeds. Offers many advantages if you're looking for special features. Next, is it built to endure? Sturdy wheels, strong steel build, and steel deck are a great choice if you're looking for extra durability. Next, let's test the performance. High volume engine, the advantages of a trusted brand, and medium fuel tank are a good choice for a demanding usage. Did it work well for others? Other customers loved it, giving it a total 3.5 out of 5 rating. We hope you got all the information you need to get started. If you want to know more, check out the details below at Sears.